going on with it, y'all? It's Richard D back with another video. Right here I got in front of me my EDC. EDC stands for Everyday Carry. As y'all can see, I have my pistol, my flashlight, and my pocket knife. My firearm is none other than the Ruger LCP 380. And I have it in a little sticky pocket holster. So like I said, my everyday carry for right now is my Ruger LCP chambered in 380 ACP. It is loaded, and I do have one in the chamber, cocked and rocked, ready to start popping. And I do have it loaded with critical defense hollow points, and it holds 5 or 6 in the mag and 1 in the chamber. The flashlight that I have, it's a little flashlight. It's a big flashlight, but it's a cheap flashlight. I got it for free from Harbor Freight. And it's pretty bright. It has a lamp on the front and a pointer on the end. It also has a magnet and a hook. For right now, it works for me. My pocket knife, I don't know what brand it is. I actually bought this at a gun show a couple years ago. Nice size pocket knife. Has a belt clip on the end, on the back of it. Nice rigid blade. Cuts pretty smooth. Well, I wouldn't say smooth, but it's very sharp. I can't remember what the brand is or the name of it is, but that's my pocket knife that I have. So there you have it. My everyday carry for my handgun, flashlight, and pocket knife. Let me know what y'all carry on the daily. Like I said, this is what my EDC is for right now. In March, like I said, it could change. I have several guns I usually carry, but right now I keep this in my pocket. Low profile, no one knows I have it. I take it everywhere I go. Not necessarily I take the flashlight and the pocket knife everywhere I go. I keep all of them in this bag. Well, not the gun. I keep the flashlight and the pocket knife in this little carry bag that I have right here. If it's sitting in my truck, I just have it in there. If I have it in my backpack, I have it in there. But no, my everyday carry is my firearm, my pocket knife, and my flashlight. And also you want to throw in my cell phone and my wallet, which I keep on me too. So like I said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. What is your everyday carry? What do you carry around with you on a daily basis to protect you, to help you out in a jam? Until then, y'all stay safe out there.